Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys display and brightness setting. In this video friends, I will show you guys how can you on guys your eye care mode. Guys, you want to on your eye care mode setting in your Infinix phone. So how can you on in this video friends? I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to on guys eye care mode setting and we will scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your display and brightness setting. Friends, tap here. Friends, you can see your eye care mode setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, you want to on guys, you can on from here. Turn on now eye care mode. After on guys, your screen color will change and guys, you can see screen color temperature. Guys, you can adjust yourself in your Infinix phone guys. So like that guys, you can on your eye care mode and guys, you should on guys at night when you operate phone at night. So you should on it your eye care mode. Then guys, you can use your phone easily. So like that guys, you can on guys, you can turn on your eye care mode in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends. Thanks for watching.